Hi, welcome to the TMAX voice broadcast system. This is probably one of the easiest systems to set up and incorporate into your company. Basically, what you're going to do is you're first going to go in and create the voicemail broadcast. We're going to name this one Test. Description is Test. The caller ID name, we're just going to put our name in there, TMAX. That's the name that'll show up on the caller ID. Phone number is 785-422-0421. That's the number that'll show up on the caller ID. Never call before and never call after is the restrictions as far as time zone, so that it won't call before then or after then. Max agent, you can set that to 0 for unsent. Transfer to number. Again, I'm just going to use our phone number here. And for the backup purposes, I'm going to use the same one again. Dial rate, you can put in 20, and then if you put in 200, that'll give you 3 lines calling. 2000 will give you 33 lines calling, so you can speed this up or slow it down how you need. Use AMD is for answering machine detection. If you're not wanting to leave messages on answering machines, you can click that. You can also leave a message if you wish on answer machines. Wait for the silence. You can transfer other DMFs or DTMFs. Record transfers. If you have that option available to you, you can press auto start. Voicemail and transfer fail. Enable inbound calls. That's a beta program we're working on right now. Transfer key. If they press 1 or whatever key you select, it'll be transferred to your agent. If you press 1 or these other keys, you can do a do not call key, and you can have it leave a pre-made message based upon if they press another key. So we'll just go ahead and switch these over, and then you'll make your recording to correspond with the correct keys that you have initiated. Go ahead and add that. Now that you've created the campaign, you can see the tools. This one will allow you to view all the statistics on what's going on through your campaign. Then you can come over here and increase the rate or decrease the call rate. So if your agents are getting overwhelmed by calls, you can slow it down. Here's where you can pause it or go ahead and play it. This will allow you to export the CSV file after everything's done and over with, so that you can upload it back into your database or do with the information whatever you will, or just go ahead and recycle it back into the dialer. Here's a real-time log. This gives you a view of what's going on as far as your calls and how many are going, and if they're being transferred or answered or put on the do not call list. This is where you'll add your sounds. And what you can do is you can upload your sound and then set it as the broadcast message. As far as what's being played when they answer the phone, you can set a voicemail message so that if it reaches a voicemail, leave a message, or you can set the inbound message, and we can talk to you a little more about that if you call in. We also have the refresh properties. That'll show real time what percentages are doing what. You can send a test call to verify that everything you've set up is correct. If you made a mistake when you set your campaign up, you can go back in and change it out by clicking on the pencil. This will delete the campaign, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can set your database fields up here. This will give you databases. Generally, all you really need on these campaigns is just the phone number, so there's not much need for messing with that. You can manage your do not call list, even add to the do not call list, or upload a CSV file of a do not call list that you may currently have. And so we're going to go ahead and upload our CSV file with our contacts on it, and load that up. And because all I'm going to be doing is just dialing, I'm just going to put the primary phone number over here. The rest of these basically are nothing. You can use them if you wish, based upon what your needs are. Let me see here. Randomize on input. This will juggle them up so that you're not calling people at the same time of day. Prevent the duplicate phone numbers in a file. That pretty self-explanatory. And then prevent them against all the contacts you've already uploaded. Scrub against the do not call list. And I'm allowed to call these contacts. Once you click that, the upload button will appear, which means it's ready to go. I went ahead and uploaded it. And we'll go ahead and start the dialer by pressing play. Once I click this, it's got our phone number in there being dialed as one of the contacts. So I forgot, you need to upload a message to there. I'll set this as our voice broadcast message. There we go. Alright, now I'll go ahead and play this. Okay, so it's playing. You come over here and you can watch how the calls are being performed. It usually takes just a few seconds for it to get going. As you can see now, it's answered that phone call. Thank you very much.